Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you are all doing well. In this video we will discuss the reasons and I will show you solutions for the Palera1n Loader app not appearing on your home screen after a successful Palera1n jailbreak. For a second, please assume that after a successful jailbreak, this Palera1n Loader has not appeared on my home screen or your home screen. So first of all, let's discuss some reasons. Now, if you are jailbreaking an A11 device, meaning iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10 or any iPad that is using the A11 CPU, you will have to remove the passcode before jailbreaking, or your device will panic and the loader will not appear because it will not be a successful jailbreak. So you will have to go to settings, then go to Touch ID and passcode and turn the passcode off from here. Also guys, on A11, if you ever set a passcode, meaning right now if it was set and you removed it, it will still panic and the jailbreak will not be successful. What you will do is back up your device, then go to General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings, and then please never set a passcode. Then try jailbreaking again and the jailbreak will be successful and the Palera1n Loader will appear on your screen. Now if the loader is still not appearing, you can re-jailbreak your device again and it will appear. Also, you can try a different cable or different port like USB 2.0 instead of USB 3.0. Also guys, if you are in doubt if your device panicked while you jailbroke it, you can check it by going to settings first, then going to privacy, then analytics and improvements, analytics data, and if your device panics, you will see a log called panic fall, which means that your device panicked and the jailbreak was unsuccessful. If your jailbreak was successful and you are still not seeing the Palera1n Loader on your home screen, you can use a shortcut to open the Palera1n Loader app and then respring, and then it will appear. So I have this link for a shortcut. You will find it in the description or in the pinned comment. It is the Palera1n Loader shortcut. Open it and you will land here. So open Palera1n Loader. Now hit add shortcut and you will see all shortcuts and you will see this shortcut. Then hit it and it will open the Palera1n Loader for you. Then you can go to actions or the gear icon if you are using an older version of the Palera1n Loader. Then you can simply respring and the Palera1n Loader will then appear on your home screen. You can then install your favorite package manager without any problem. Alright, you can use this method on any supported device and any iOS supported version. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.